You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this basketball player. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. From the NBA, I've got more videos for you. LeBron is his first name, LeBron Raymond James Jr., otherwise known as Bronny James. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.